In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add citations in Google Docs. Citations are essential for any research paper or academic project, providing credit to original authors and allowing readers to trace your sources. Google Docs makes this process straightforward with its built-in citation tool. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your document in Google Docs. If you haven't already created one, go ahead and start a new document. Once you're ready, look at the top menu of your screen. Navigate over to the Tools option, which is situated among other choices like File and Edit. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Citations. Once you click this, a citation sidebar will materialize on the right side of your document. This sidebar is your command center for all things related to citation within Google Docs. Now, let's decide on the citation style your paper requires. At the top of the sidebar, there is a handy drop-down menu. This is where you choose between different citation styles. The options include MLA, APA, and the Chicago author date style, ensuring you find one that fits your needs. These styles are predetermined by institutions or publishers, so make sure you select the right one. This choice will affect how your citations appear throughout your document. Once you've set your preferred style, it's time to add your first source. In the Citations sidebar, there's an option that reads, plus Add Citation Source. Click on this button to begin. Immediately, you'll be led to a new interface, prompting you to fill in details about your source. Start by selecting the type of source you're citing. Is it a book, a website, or perhaps a journal article? And how did you access this source? Was it online through a website or perhaps in print? After that, fill out as many additional details as you can. This includes crucial information such as the author's name, the title of the work, and the publication date. Some fields are particularly important and are marked with a blue asterisk, indicating that they are highly recommended to fill out. In some cases, you might be able to find a source more easily by entering a URL or ISBN number. Google Docs can automatically search for and populate certain details of your source, saving you some time. After you've filled out all the necessary fields, don't forget the final step. Click on Add Citation Source at the bottom of the sidebar. Doing so will save your source, allowing you to smoothly insert citations within your text when needed. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll effectively organize and manage your citations, making your paper polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.